So we changed units, boys and girls. And our new unit is mammals. Yes. Yes. I'm just going to say a few quick things about mammals, but during pull-out on Friday, we will talk a lot more about what is a mammal, what makes an animal a mammal. I'm going to start by saying we humans are mammals. Most mammals have hair or fur. But if you're a whale or a dolphin, you're a mammal, but you don't have hair and you don't have fur.
Do it later, okay?
Right? And mammals are warm-blooded. All mammals are warm-blooded. That means that their temperature stays the same, whether it's cold or hot. Our temperature stays the same. If our temperature goes up, that means we're sick. So all mammals are warm-blooded. All mammals have a backbone. There's a bone that goes from the back of your neck all the way down your back. That means we're vertebrate.
That's a long bone.
Most mammals give birth to live babies. There are a couple of mammals that lay eggs, and we'll talk about that on Friday. All mammals nurse their baby's milk. Even if they lay eggs, the mom's body still produces milk if you're a mammal. What else about mammals? We breathe air. So even whales in the ocean and dolphins in the ocean have to come up for air. And we have a picture there of an actual whale in the ocean and how he is breathing through a special spout that he has on top of his head. We'll talk about that later. So from our short conversation, you guys realize mammals can live in the ocean. They can live on land like us, like cows, horses, lions, elephants. But did you know there's an one mammal that can fly? And that's the bat. A bat is not a bird. A bat is a mammal. And it's the only mammal that can fly. And that's why we have him here flying in our poster. You have a question?
Why do dolphins come up to the air?
Because they have lungs and they need air to
Why?
breathe.
And why do they have to come up?
There's no air underneath the ocean. They don't have gills to filter the oxygen out of water
What for?
to stay alive.
Oh.
This is a work where we sort mammals, because mammals can live on a farm. If you visit a farm, you'll see mammals. Is chicken a mammal?
No.
Why not?
Yes, it
No, she's not. Why is a chicken not a mammal?
is. It doesn't have a back.
It does have a backbone. Why is the chicken not a mammal? She has what on her skin? Feathers. Right.
Even-
Mammals don't have feathers.
We just learned about animals with feathers. What are they called?
Yeah.
How about pets? If you have a little aquarium at home and you have fish, are they mammals?
No.
They are what?
Cat.
Fish.
Fish.
Fish. They're not mammals. What do they have on their skin?
Cat.
Scale. And they don't even have lungs to breathe. They have gills. All right. And there are mammals that live in the wild, like the zoo.
Like a lion.
So, zebra. Nobody has a pet zebra. Zebra doesn't live on the farm. Zebras are wild. Pigs.
Farm.
Yes. You can shout out. That's okay. Hippo.
Hippo. This is wild.
Wild. I forgot there's a name for this monkey. I will look it up.
Macaque.
Is that the name of it?
I think it is. Wild.
Wild, yes. Rabbit.
Wild.
with you guys. My husband had a pet rabbit when he was growing up.
Can be all three,
Yeah, it can be all three. So this is a tricky one. Dogs, my favorite. Sorry.
Oh, pet.
My favorite. I love dogs. Cats, pets. Sheep, this is a type of a sheep. Farm. What's my name? Yes.
I see bowl.
Yes.
Bowl. Yeah,
Yes.
but that was so cool.
A bull? Yes.
Yeah, bull
Yes.
is my favorite.
The bull is your favorite?
What's your favorite mammal? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I have a weakness for dogs, guys. What can I say? Dogs and children.
No bull.
All right, so this is our sorting work. We sorted the animals by where they live. By where they live. Okay, so
So I'm gonna say goodbye.